Hello, this is Ben, Phil, and my name is Chris. We are a part of the Mechanical Engineering Senior Design course at the University of Alaska. The problem that we are addressing is during the wintertime, a vehicle's windshield wiper tends to freeze the window. This isn't only an inconvenience, but also can ruin your wiper. Each of us brings a specific skill set to this project.
I have experience in problem solving, SolidWorks simulation, and video editing.
My name is Benjamin Lauritsen. I have mechanics and materials experience, so I can verify the SolidWorks modeling, make sure it's accurate. I have management experience to make sure our project stays on track, and I also have manufacturing experience.
Hi, my name is Phil Clifton. I've got experience with manufacturing, static and dynamic loading. I'm good with problem solving as well as have good communication skills.
After identifying our problem, we started brainstorming possible solutions. We came up with several ideas. A pulley system that would lift the windshield wipers off of the window. A motor-driven 4-bar system that would lift the wipers when the car's ignition was turned off. And finally, a ramp system that would allow the buyer to install the device on their vehicle without any moving parts. We chose our design based on several different factors. We wanted our design to be adaptable to as many vehicles as possible. We wanted to keep the price of the production low. We designed our device to have an easy installation process, therefore any consumer would be able to attach it to the car's cowl. And finally, we designed our product to be easily removed, leaving none or minimal damage to the vehicle.
First thing you need to do to install these cords and for the connection is you need to take your piece of wire and you need to make a rather large loop on one end. This is to prevent it from falling down into your car. You need to do that with both of these. And then next thing you need to do is you need to go to the other end and you make it nice small hook, just like that, just on both of them. And there you go. Alright, first thing you need to do is you need to take your bottom plate and then set it on the cowl and then find where the holes that you're going to be pulling this wire out of, just so you can get a reference. Okay, next thing you do is you put the wire in one of the holes that you were going to put your ramp on, and then you take one of these other wires, you put it in the hole next to it. 2 over is okay. And then once you're in there, you make it wider by using your cowl, just a little bit. See how I got wider? And then you hook your wire using the other wire. And then pull it up nice and close to the cowl, just like that. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
And then you just start feeding your main wire so it gets long enough so it can reach that other hole. Now you take your second wire while holding the others in place. You take that one, put it in the hole that you want it to come out of, and then just like with the other one, use your cowl to make it wider, just a little bit. And you can hook the end of your holding wire in there. And then you just pull it up. It may take a little maneuvering, but you can get it out. We ended up having to use the tweezers to pull it out once it was really close. Then, next thing is to get these wires back out. How you do that, use the cowl to straighten out your hook on the inside, and then just pull it right out. They're flexible enough. And widen it, put it back down, and then just pull her out. And then there you go.
After feeding your wire, attach your base plate to the cowl. Then, attach your clip to your windshield wiper. Make sure to align the clip with the ramp of the device.
Preliminary results are promising.
Alright, and here's our preliminary test on our first prototype. Seems to be working fine. Cool.